Today's video is just for you. We're diving into 3 of the best voice notes apps for Android that will help you convert your spoken words into text effortlessly. Whether you're in a meeting, class, or just brainstorming ideas, these apps will make note-taking a breeze. Let's get started. Voice Notebook Speech to Text. Voice Notebook is a highly efficient app that allows users to capture voice notes and convert them into text seamlessly. With its advanced speech recognition technology, the app transcribes your spoken words into written text in real time, making it incredibly convenient for taking notes during lectures or meetings. Users can also organize their notes into different folders and export them in various formats, such as TXT or PDF. Additionally, Voice Notebook supports offline functionality, meaning you can record notes without an internet connection, making it perfect for on-the-go usage. Voice Notepad Speech to Text. Voice Notepad is another excellent option for creating voice notes and converting them to text effortlessly. This app features a straightforward and user-friendly interface that allows users to start recording with just a tap. The speech recognition capabilities are robust, accurately transcribing your words as you speak. Voice Notepad also includes features such as text editing, the ability to add timestamps, and options for saving and sharing your notes. Its versatility makes it suitable for students, professionals, and anyone looking to keep track of their thoughts quickly and efficiently. Easy Notes. Notes Voice Notes. Easy Notes is a versatile note-taking app that combines voice recording and text note capabilities. Users can easily record audio notes and have them transcribed into text. The app also offers a simple organization system, allowing you to categorize notes by topics or projects. Besides voice recording, Easy Notes supports additional features like checklists and reminders, making it a comprehensive tool for managing tasks and ideas. Its intuitive interface and combined functionality make it ideal for anyone who prefers to use voice notes alongside traditional text notes. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Voice Notebook, Voice Notepad, and Easy Notes helps you find the perfect app for your voice noting needs. Which voice notes app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.